What if one of the most powerful recovery drinks after 50, 60, even 70 isn't expensive, trendy, or sold in a supplement bottle? What if it's something your grandparents already knew about? Fresh milk and turmeric. It sounds simple, but aging is not simple. After 40, muscle recovery slows. After 50, bone density gradually declines. After 60, chronic low-grade inflammation becomes more common. Sleep becomes lighter. Joints feel stiffer. Energy feels less stable. Now, here's where this combination becomes interesting. Fresh milk is a complete protein source. It contains all 9 essential amino acids. One of its primary proteins, casein, digests slowly, releasing amino acids gradually over several hours. That makes it especially supportive before bed, when the body enters repair mode. Milk is also naturally rich in calcium and often fortified with vitamin D, 2 nutrients critical for maintaining bone mineral density as we age. Bone loss doesn't happen overnight. It's gradual. Consistency matters. Then there's turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a bioactive compound studied for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation isn't always dramatic. It's often subtle. It's the background process linked to joint discomfort, vascular stiffness, and cellular stress over time. Here's the part most people don't realize. Curcumin is fat-soluble. That means it dissolves better in fat than in water. Fresh milk contains natural fats, which may enhance curcumin absorption compared to consuming turmeric alone. In other words, the combination is synergistic. Protein for muscle repair, calcium and vitamin D for bone support, curcumin for inflammatory balance, warmth for nervous system relaxation. And there's another layer. A warm drink at night stimulates a psychological shift. The body begins associating warmth with safety. Cortisol levels ease. The parasympathetic nervous system activates. That transition can improve sleep quality. And sleep is when growth hormone release and tissue repair primarily occur. This isn't a miracle cure, it's a support system. A small, repeatable habit that aligns with how the body naturally repairs itself. 1 cup before bed, 2 ingredients. Decades of traditional use now supported by modern nutritional science. Sometimes aging well doesn't require something new. It requires something consistent. And sometimes the strongest strategies are the simplest ones.